Now we'll see the multiset, next part. Now multiset is about it's a collection of objects that are not necessarily distinct one. Multiset is a collection of objects that are not necessarily distinct. In set we have seen that it's a collection of objects that are distinct, right? And multiset is what? It's a collection of objects that are not necessarily distinct. As an example, that is A is a set with the elements triple A, double B, C, 2 times D. Right? So this is the situation. Such a set is termed as a multiset, where the collection of objects that are not necessarily distinct. Okay. Other examples can be C, D. Okay. Next set I have taken multiset. A set without any element, right? That is also the empty set. Multiset A, B, C, D. This is also the multiset. Okay. So set as well as multiset also. So this is the definition of multiset. Now next concept is a multiplicity of the elements. Multiplicity of the element in a multiset. Multiplicity of element. It's not multiplicity of the set. It's with respect to the elements in a multiset. Multiplicity of the element is nothing but the maximum of the multiplicity of the element in that set. That is maximum number of times occurrence of that particular element in a set. That is what the multiplicity. Multiplicity of an element in a multiset is the number of times the element appears in the multiset. Number of times element appears in multiset. So as an example, let's say capital A is a set with the element now multiplicity for this particular set with respect to the elements. So multiplicity of A is 1 to 3 times it occurs, right? So multiplicity of A, first element, is equal to 3. Likewise multiplicity of A is 2. Multiplicity of C is 1. Multiplicity of D is 3. If the question is that multiplicity of P in this given multiset is 0. Okay, so that is the multiplicity of the elements in a multiset. Okay. If no element occurs, then the multiplicity of that element is 0. Okay. So this is the multiplicity of an element to multiset. Now, one note is there. Note is a set. I'm talking about the set, that is collection of the distinct object. So set are the spatial instances of multiset in which multiplicity of element is either 0 or 1. As said, is a collection of distinct objects, no any repetition, that is opposite to the multiset. So set are the spatial instances of the multisets in which multiplicity of an element is either 0, that is not present or present in the set. Okay. So just keep this in mind. Now next is the cardinality of a multiset. As we know, cardinality of the set is the number of elements in that set. Now cardinality of multiset is what it's defined to be the cardinality of the set it corresponds to. Cardinality of the set it corresponds to, assuming that the elements in the multisets are distinct one. That are the cardinality of the multiset. Cardinality of multiset is what it's defined to be cardinality of multiset is defined to be the cardinality of the set. Cardinality of the set it corresponds to. Okay, that is assuming that the element in the multiset are distinct one. Assume that the element in multiset are distinct. All are distinct. That is the cardinality of the multiset. Okay. Now we'll see the operations on the multisets. So there are four operations: union, intersection, difference, and addition. Next is operations on multiset. So first, union operation. So union operation that we have seen on the set, right? So here union is the maximum of the multiplicities of both the sets. So maximum of the multiplicity. That will be the resultant in the union operation. So let's say P is one set that having the elements 2A, 3B, C and 1D, and Q is another set A, BB, C and 4. Now this union of these two is P union Q is a set which contains maximum of the multiplicity of the elements. So in first set there is 4 elements, and in second also the 4 elements. So multiplicity of A is 2 here, and here it is 1. So maximum of the multiplicity is the 2. Okay. Now with respect to B, 3 and 2. So maximum is 3. Likewise for C, 3 C's are there. Likewise for D. So this is the resultant, that is the union operations on the multiset. Okay. Maximum of the multiplicity of that element. So this is the union operation. Now second operation is the intersection. Intersection of the multiset. So it's the minimum of the multiplicities of the elements in P and Q. Is the minimum of the multiplicity example, and Q Q is another set A, B. So minimum of the multiplicity. So Q intersection will be the 1 is here, is 2 and 1. For B, multiplicity is 2 for P and 1 is for Q. So minimum is the 1 with respect to C and with respect to the element B. So this is the resultant. That is the intersection operation on the multiset. That is the minimum of the multiplicity of the sets P and Q. Okay. Next is the difference. Third operation. Now difference operation is what? It's a multiplicity of the first set with respect to an element minus the multiplicity of that particular element is present in the second set. That is the multiplicity of an element. So let's say P minus Q. This is equal to multiplicity of element in P minus multiplicity of element in Q. Okay, and if the result is element in Q and if the difference is positive, this will be true if the difference is positive. If the difference is positive, and it will be 0 or the negative one for the second element is equal to 0 if the difference is 0 or negative. Positive. And another case, and is equal to 0 if difference is zero or negative. If the result is 0 or the negative, then the multiplicity is equal to 0. Difference of it. So example, so P is the set, that is the elements 3A, 2B, 1C and 2D, and Q with another set with the 4A, 3B, 1C and 1D. Now this is P minus 2. So order is important. First set minus the second set. Okay. So in P, element A, in both the set element A is exists. This multiplicity is 3. 3 minus 4. This is for 4 for the second set. So 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. So we are writing it as a 0. So no element, no A element should be there in P minus 2. Now with respect to second, for multiplicity of B is 2. Multiplicity of B here is 3. So 2 minus 3, result is minus 1. Right? So we are taking 0 times that B as well. Next for the third, that is C minus C. So this C is 1, again it is a result is 0. Right? With respect to D, that is 2 times the D is there and it is 1. 2 minus 1, that is the result is 1. So once D. So this will be the P minus Q. Now we will do Q minus P. Q minus P will be what? 4 times A minus 3. So 1 A will be there. 3 times B minus 2 times. So 1 time B is there. With respect to C, that is 0, not existed in Q minus P. With respect to the D, 3 minus 1 minus 2 D's are there, so not existed. So this is the difference operations. Okay, difference operation on the multiset. Next operation is the sum operation. Sum operation. multiplicity of the element of the first set plus the multiplicity of the element of the second set. Okay, so 2a, 2b, 1c and 3d. If you use another set, we take the elements a, b, c and d will not exist. Okay, so 3. So p plus 2, the sum will be what? Addition of the multiplicity. So 2 plus 1, that is 3a. Okay, 2b plus 0b, sorry 1b, so it is 3 times b. 1 and 1, 2 times c and d, 3d and 0d. So there will be total 3 plus 1, 3 plus 0 is a 3. So this is the sum operations on the multiset. So these are the 4 operations of multiset. Now examples, that is the, now in real life, what will be the example where the repetitions of the same elements are there. So to name of the student as an example, first that is the name of the students in a class. Name of the students in a class. So there can be a same name, more than one students with the same name. So that can be the multiset. Another example, that set containing the account numbers of all transactions in a bank on a certain day. It is a set containing account numbers of all transactions in a bank on a certain day. There can be more than one transaction from the same account number will be there. So this is the multiset. So multiset containing accounts of all the transactions on the next day. That is the multiset set is containing accounts of all transactions on the next day. So thus combination of the records, that is the one day transactions plus other day transactions. Let's say one person's account having 3 transactions on first day and 4 transactions on the second day. So you can do the operations like for some operations there will be total for this consecutive 2 days 7 transactions will be from first account, one account. Okay, so this way we can apply this multiset operations. Okay, so one more example we'll see, that is applying this all. So let A and B be the 2 multiset. A and B be 2 multisets, and it is given as A is equal to B dot A, means 3 times A, 2 dot B, that is 2 times B, 1 dot C, and B is another set, that is 2 into A into B and 4 into D. So find out this, that is A union B, second A intersection B, that is A minus B, fourth one is B minus A, and last one is sum operation A plus B. So I think you are able to do this. Okay. So we'll see the answers. A union B, that is the maximum of the multiplicity. So 3A comma 3 dot B, maximum of multiplicity is 1C, where it is 0C, right? There is 0B and it is 4B. So this will be the union of it. Intersection is what? That is the minimum of the multiplicity. So this is 2A with respect to first element A, 2B with respect to the second element. Now with respect to the C, minimum of the multiplicity is 0 of C in second set, and for D also minimum of the multiplicity is 0. So this is the A intersection B, A minus B, that is the multiplicity of the A minus multiplicity of the B. So result will be first, that is 3 minus 2 is A, 2 minus B, that is it's negative, so don't take that as an element. Next 1C minus 0C, so this result will be 1C, 0 minus 4D, so that result comes with minus, so not taking that element. Next B minus, now 2 minus 3, the result will goes in a negative. 3 minus 2, minus 1, that is negative result. 0 minus 1, 0C, and 1c, 0 minus 1, that is also negative. 4d minus 0d, so that result is what? 4d. You can write 4 into d. This is the b minus a. Last one is a plus b, that is the addition of the multiplicities. So the result of this is 3 plus 2, 5a, 3 plus 2, 5b, comma, 1c plus 0c, so 1 dot c, 0d plus 4d, so it is 4 dot. So the operations of the multiset.